Okay, now.
Okay. One day, chalupa sauce was selling in the road, and I ran over it. It was scorched, and it was eating ravioli. It was eating pasta. It was eating my sister's sand. And I ran over the chalupa sauce.
What about plastic chalupa?
Plastic chalupa sauce. Plastic chalupa sauce. I said on the plastic chalupa sauce.
Where's the
But
plastic?
the part on the plastic chalupa sauce.
Where's the chalupa sauce right now?
Garbage.
He's in the garbage?
Yes. Garbage. I shoot him with the gun. Laser gun.
That's not nice.
Laser gun. Bullet. I ran over the